Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's type the first code. It will be *pound *pound 4636 #***. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode and we can check, for example, some phone info, some usage statistics. We can change the type of sorting, for example, to the last time used. And here we've got the full list. Let's get it back. And you can, of course, check, for example, Wi-Fi info and the status. Let's refresh it and you can check everything. Let's get back to the dialer and let's find another code. It is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, after typing this code, the device information just pops out, and this is the fastest way to check the email info or serial number info. Let's click OK and get back. Now let's type *pound 225 pound *pound. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info with all the events. Let's get back and let's type *pound 246 pound *pound. Maybe again. *pound 426 pound *pound. And here we are in a diagnostic mode. As you can see, you can check the events, also the status. If you want more info, simply click on this 3 dots icon and click on advanced view. Let's get back, and in the events you've got a lot of info to check. Let's get back, and this is the last code. It will be *pound 2486 pound *pound. And here we are in an engineering mode. Here you can check your phone if everything works fine. Let's check this one. For example, you can go to the battery info and check the battery level, for example, battery health and battery status. Let's get back. Check, for example, maybe touch screen. And here you've got the test. You have to touch the white dot and then drag it diagonally. And as you can see, everything works finely. So that's all. This is how to use secret codes on your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.